you can clearly identify. This is a vertical ellipse. This is a vertical ellipse at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so we differentiate it. 2x by 4 plus 2y by 25 dy by dx is equal to 0. So we get dy by dx is equal to 0 means x is equal to dy by dx is equal to 0. 2y by dy by dx equal to 0. We get x is equal to 0. If we put x equal to 0, we get in the curve y square is equal to 25, y is equal to plus minus 5. It clearly indicates that you get a horizontal tangent here and a horizontal tangent here. So this is all about parallel to x-axis. Now parallel to y-axis, it means minus dx by dy must be 0. Now in the same case, equation 1, we can write 2x by 4 into minus dx by dy, or plus dx by dy you write it, plus 2y by 25 is equal to 0. Now dx by dy is equal to 0 means what? 2y is equal to 0 or y equal to 0. If we put in the curve y is equal to 0, we get x equal to plus minus 2. So x equal to plus minus 2 means this is one tangent and this is tangent parallel to y-axis. So this point was 0, 5. This point was 0, minus 5. This point was 2, 0. This point is minus 2, 0. I repeat, whenever we say parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equal to 0. Whenever we say parallel to y-axis, dx by dy is equal to 0.